If you love food, you love prawns, and you love Chinese food, then this video is for you. Especially if you've only got 10 minutes, because you can put this together very quickly, very easily, and we're going to show you how. Well, my dear wife's going to show you how. Let's get on with it. I see prawns.
Yes, we are going to do a prawn stir fry, and we have a bowl of king prawn, but it's been prepped. I will show you what I mean in a minute. We also have garlic, spring onion, some sweet peppers. You can also have chilies, which we don't have today, and light soy, Shaoxing rice wine, some pepper, a light salt, and chicken powder. To start with, we need to prep the prawns. Most people don't know. If you just slightly open this, you can see there's a slight, like a vein here.
And it's really horrible. It's kind of dirty, crunchy, there's sand in there, and
yeah,
it's like a waste tract for the prawn, so we really need to remove that.
So I have done the whole thing over here. These are all being deveined. As you can see, it's all clean. Quite easy. You need a small knife and a toothpick and some paper towel. So you sort of stretch that open, just cut that open like that, slightly. Just be very careful while you're handling the knife. And all you need to do is just use a toothpick to pick it out. Sometimes they don't come out in one go, sometimes they just come out in like one thread. So now, after it's been removed, just can see it's clean. Those are called deveined king prawns. To marinate the king prawns, we will need some soy sauce, some Shaoxing rice wine. This one is essential. Black pepper. Light salt, very light, because the king prawns are salty themselves. So very light. And some chicken powder. Now all we need to do, just mix up the king prawn to make sure that's all evenly coated. This dish is very simple and quick. The longest time is actually spent on deveining the prawns. The cooking process is really quick. I'm going to cook that in 2 batches so that you can see how quick this is. Okay, I think that's evenly coated now. We are heating some oil in the pan. Make sure it's really hot before you pour the prawn in. And we've got everything ready here. Nearly done. So now the oil is very hot. I'm going to put half of these in. It will cook really quickly. Add half of the garlic. Half of the peppers. Half of the spring onion. Now we just plate it like so.